Hola, muchachos y muchachas. Just kidding. Thanks for watching Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm looking at my 2001 Acura.
In this quick video, we will be removing and replacing the intake tube and upper air filter hog.
I'm going to go ahead and replace it. These are all the tools that I use. An 8mm socket to get your air box off. 10mm socket to get the plastics off the engine and some of the brackets off. Just the Phillips right there, and 8mm around. Alright, so let's go and get the intake tube and upper air filter housing back on. Now's a good time to inspect for wear and tear on your intake tube. I am going to need to replace this one soon, because I noticed that it's starting to rip and crack right here. It's not all the way through, I double checked already, but it's gonna soon. That one's tight. When you're putting this on, you don't have to do anything, or you don't have to go too tight. Really, German torque specs is perfect for this too, and that's just gooden tight. Never a reason to tighten these all the way down. Nothing's gonna happen. Alright, that's it for putting the air cleaner box and intake back on. Hopefully this helps you out. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for watching.